some schooling, like if this temples के आसपास schools बन रहे हैं, अभी they go to convent schools, there's easy conversions that happen, or even Islamic conversions and all that will stop, right? When there is an ecosystem.
The hub,
and schools.
Convent schools are sort of a hub for, that कन्वर्जन के लिए लोगों को तैयार करने के लिए बेड रॉक है वो एक तरीके से.
बिल्कुल बेड रॉक है, बिल्कुल. आई हैव सीन पर्सनली कि जैसे द पूरा सेक्शन ऑफ द कम्युनिटी, उनके बच्चे कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में इंग्लिश मीडियम में पढ़ना चाहते हैं, राइट? तो वो वहाँ पे या तो काम करेंगे और फिर उनको बच्चों को फ्री एजुकेशन मिलेगा. व्हाई? बिकॉज उनको फिर संडे को मास चर्च में आना है पक्का, और नहीं आएंगे तो फ्री एजुकेशन नहीं मिलेगा.
बच्चों के थ्रू पूरी फैमिली को वो करा जा रहा है,
पूरी फैमिली
बच्चों के थ्रू टारगेट.
एंड फिर वो नन्स आएंगी घर पे टू सी कि आपके घर पे कौन से भगवान रखे हैं. एंड दे विल से वो क्या करते हैं, वो फैमिलीज जीसस को भी ऐड कर देते हैं अपने मंदिर में.
एप्रोप्रिएशन करके ही करते हैं स्टार्टिंग. तो वही होता है ना. अब आजकल मैंने कहीं शायद तमिलनाडु
नो, बट द नन्स विल कम एंड से कि नहीं, आप जीसस को ही रखो, बाकी सब हटाओ. दे आर इमेजेस ऑफ द डेविल, वो सब. तो इस हिसाब से ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हमारे जो इकोसिस्टम है, हिंदुइज्म इज सच अ लिबरल एंड वंडरफुल कल्चरल continuous civilizational entity. It's not just a religion, it's a way of life. It's the only surviving religion. मुझे तो कई बार लगता है कि we have to build that. जैसे cultural genocide होता है, every time you convert a person, you're also genociding part of culture.
Right.
बंजारे अगर they wear those formal clothes and go to church, they're going to forget to dance. So it's very important that there is an ecosystem.
They force them to forget their culture, the culture that they have been following from thousands of years. They're all of a sudden told, forget about it. This is rubbish what you are doing.
Exactly. So, but coming back to the point of DGS, the dismantling global Hindutva. So not just the Dalits, but also the Adivasis. They are being targeted. Also, they have been. So, if you know, recently Northeast में there was this whole Northeast sort of council has been created. Okay. Just a Northeast, which is a new phenomenon. So now
created
by some of the leaders of Northeast. So
created by the
so it is a
Christian ecosystem or Indian.
So now, as you know, Northeast is a Christian ecosystem largely. But yeah, it is. I don't think these are all going to head in a good direction. There is a lot of divisive forces are there in all of these.
So they have
places.
created it. That's why.
Yeah. So I mean, we don't know who exactly created, but people who are leaders there have created. Yeah, who Congress ministers and some local leaders, they have created the council. Also, tribals are, again, there is this whole movement saying tribals are not Hindus. Which again is just the concept of Adivasi is a colonial concept.
Same old colonial trope.
Yes, same old colonial trope. So that is tribals, Adivasis, and also women. So they are targeting women, as you must have seen. A lot of these actresses will come out and say that marriage is just not a good idea, or having children is such a burden, and patriarchy hai, इसलिए women को बोला जाता है कि have children, otherwise they would never want to have children. इस तरह के statements काफी सारे some, I wouldn't say the main lead actresses, but a lot of actresses will come out and say, and they will say, sexual freedom is so important for you, all of that, So ये सब
pseudo feminism भी कहूँगा मैं उसे.
Yes, it's sort of pseudo feminism, but it's a way to, just
break the family
system, right?